Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see test 2. Okay. Fill in the blanks with appropriate articles. The boy sneezed because he had dash cold. The boy sneezed because he had a cold. Can you pass me the soup, please? Have you ever heard an owl hooting? The book is in the drawer. The cat jumped out of the window and disappeared. I like to have an apple every day. She's hung the clothes out to dry. I lent the new boy an eraser and a pencil. Okay, next. Fill in the blanks with the simple past tense of the verbs. So we have to convert simple past tense. The pilot dashed the plane skillfully. The pilot flew. The lazy guard dashed his post. Guard slept. The sculptor dashed the statue with ease. Cowed. The boy dashed fast to win the race. Ran. The monkey dashed from one branch to another. Jumped. Okay. Next. Rewrite the sentences by changing the verbs into the present continuous tense. He was crying bitterly. How to write in the present continuous? He is crying bitterly. Father hung the mirror on the wall. Father is hanging. Hanging. Hanging the mirror on the wall. I will go for a swim in the afternoon. I am going for a swim in the afternoon. The train arrived at 9 o'clock. The train is arriving at 9 o'clock. I make breakfast for my family. I am making breakfast for my family. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks with the personal pronouns. Sana and Vani are at the mall. Dash are playing video games. My dog hurt its paw. I applied some medicine on it. Can Dash carry these books for me? Can you? Okay. Next. Raghav, Shiv and I are going to play cricket. Dash will also teach me how to bowl correctly. they. The trees swayed in the storm. Most of dash fell on the road. Most of them. Okay. Next, E. Fill in the blanks with the correct pronouns. Is this book dash? Is this book yours? Please do not throw away that hat. It is mine. Madhav and Keshav have just left the room. I think the sports equipment is dash. Is theirs. This bag is dash. Do not touch it. This bag is his. What a pretty dress it is. Is it yours? Next. Fill in the blanks with the correct verbs. She dash a pink coat. She has. I dash a red skirt. I have. He dash watching a magic show. He is. They dash their homework on time. They complete. They complete. Seema dash songs in the evening. Seema sings. He dash a good boy. He is. They dash made a colorful poster. They have. Ramya and Vanya dash having ice cream. Are having ice cream. Understood? Next. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate articles. To make French fries, cut a potato into long thin fingers. Add water to the saucepan and bring it to a boil. Add the potato fingers and let them cook. Strain the water and fry the boiled potato fingers. Sprinkle salt and chili flakes on them. The French fries are ready to eat. Understood? So for this we finished our test 2. Tomorrow we will see lesson 18 adverbs. Okay? Thank you.